we're gonna bleach my hair. And basically I got 20 volume developer because like I'm not here to murder my hair. Like it's still gonna get bleached, but I'm not gonna murder it. And then I got powder with some blue in it so that it doesn't come out super orangey yellow. And then we're gonna do lavender over it when it's done. As long as this doesn't kill my hair, because I want my hair to stay healthy. And so I got my sectioning clips, I got my brush, and I got my wonderful processing cap, because we're doing this right, you know? Right, George? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start by brushing out my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take my bristle brush, and I'm gonna move some of the oils from the top of my scalp down. Right in my hair, and I have this little chunk. I'm obviously not gonna do this whole chunk at once. I'm still gonna separate it from here, but this is still gonna be, probably separate this big clump into two. I don't know. I'm just kind of winging this. Watched like a video, and I've been watching like Brad Mondo videos all day. This is the reason I'm even doing this, because I was bored. I was watching Brad Mondo videos. He was like, here's how to bleach your hair, like watching bleaching fail videos, and I was like, that look cute on me. Let's do it. Yeah. And if this goes wrong, I'm not blaming him. This goes wrong, it's all my fault. Pour some of the bleaching. Now I've got the volume 20 developer, because one, my hair isn't that dark to begin with, but two, because you know, I don't want to really hurt my hair, and I know that like a 30 or 30 is a little bit pushing it, especially since I have lighter hair, and a 40 would be like fucking suicide. Yes, so this is all mixed. I just wanted to see how fast I get down at Capri Sun.
I'm gonna get new stuff. We're gonna need to have hoops again.
Mom!
Baby, lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright.
think it's looking good. Gonna wash it out in like 10 minutes. Right, so I'm gonna rinse it off now. This is what she looking like. Okay, we're gonna rinse it off now. So like, it looks great on the side I did. My hair's really thin. It's like, and I just had a nice bit of breakage. And then on the side my mom did, it looks hella patchy. But you know, I was already gonna bleach it at least like once more. And I was already gonna dye it lavender. So like, it's alright that's a little patchy. Not mad. Honestly, not mad. So yeah. So just kind of like an overview. Like, the pink stayed in. And it's a little patchy and more yellow on this side. I think it's because the side sat in longer, so it's more platinum and less yellowy. And then my roots still need a little bit of work, and there's some more patchy areas. And it's right now it's pretty dry, but I had a very little breakage. I put some more coconut oil and stuff in it now, like after I bleached it. And so hopefully that will like help keep it from breaking off. I also brushed it through with a bristle brush and like just kind of let it air dry, do its thing. I try to be as gentle as I can when I brushed it through. But you know, I don't think it looks that bad. That's alright. It's not perfectly bleached this time because we still have next time.